If you create content, you'll gain these, and if you do video editing, you'll gain these. As someone who both creates content and edits videos for clients, in this video I will explain which one is better in all these areas. What are the pros, what are the cons, everything.
First of all, I want to talk about time. Which one takes more time? Content creation or video editing? Now, if we consider that a content creator undertakes the whole process of creating a video, he should come up with video ideas, make up a plan, write a script, shoot the video, edit the video, do all this stuff. On the other hand, an editor only does the editing part. Therefore, we can say that video editing is the winner here in terms of time. Content creation requires much more time. For example, if it takes me 10 hours to create a whole video, only 4 or 5 hours of that might be video editing. So if you're short on time, video editing might be more for you. Secondly, I want to touch on the difficulty part. Which is harder, creating content or being a video editor? Due to the stages I mentioned earlier, content creation is harder. In the simplest terms, a content creator can edit a video, but a video editor might not be comfortable and good in front of a camera. In other words, a content creator needs to be good and knowledgeable in all these skills. He needs to have all these skills, he needs to be good at all of them. But a video editor only needs to be good at editing a video and you can say storytelling and the flow of the video and stuff. Content creation takes more time and it's also more difficult than video editing due to the extra skills it requires. Thirdly, I want to touch on the long-term and passivity sides. So which field would be more logical and profitable for us in the long run? The winner on this one is content creation, because content creation offers you much more variety, you can say, in terms of income sources. I will talk about this more in the income section. And in addition to offering more income sources, it also more we can say passive income, since the content you create can earn you money even after months or even years you created. If it's an evergreen content, it's gonna earn you money years after publishing. However, in video editing, you only get paid for the hour or per project. You don't get money after a week or month. They won't earn you money in the future. And I'm not talking about building a name for yourself. Of course, if you edit good videos, you're gonna build your portfolio. That's gonna basically make you more money, because more clients. And if you do good job, clients will tell other clients this editor is good and stuff like that. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about that video won't make you money directly in the future. Of course, if you work with bonuses or with income percentages, then yes, you can earn money, we can say in the future. When I work with bonuses, it goes something like this. I make the video, I get paid a baseline from making the video, but if the video gets X amount of views, 500,000 views, I get paid extra X amount of money. If it gets more than 1 million views, I get paid extra X amount of money. And that's kind of passive. I did that video, and if it performs well, in the future, in a month or in 2 months, in 3 months, I get paid an extra money without doing anything extra. Of course, if you work with bonuses, you get paid a little less than you would normally get paid for baseline. For example, if my baseline for a video was $200, I might have to say $150, because I'm gonna work with bonuses. My baseline is 200, but if you want to work with bonuses, I can charge you $150. And if the video performs well, you can pay me X amount of money. And if that video actually does better, then you're gonna make more money than you would make with a baseline, just with a baseline. However, in any case, content creation is better in long term and in passivity sides. Fourth, let's talk about money. Now, which one is better in terms of income? Which one can make us more money? In this section, I will give you numbers for both content creation and video editing. First of all, video editing. I think video editing is good in terms of income. I believe you can make easily $3,000 to $5,000 per month with video editing alone. You don't hire a team. You're just alone yourself. You're just editing videos. For example, when I was editing videos, I'm not actively editing videos right now, but when I was a video editor, I was charging $200 as a baseline for my videos. I get paid $200 for just making that video. But I also work with bonuses, so if that video that I made got over 300,000 views in the first 3 months of publishing, I got paid extra $130. If that video got over 500,000 views in the first 3 months again, I got paid extra $200. If that video got over 1 million views, I got paid extra $300. So for example, I made a video, I got paid $200. That video got 1 million views, over 1 million views in the first 3 months of publishing, then I got paid extra $300. So in total, from that video alone, I made $500. Of course, how much money you can ask depends on your skills. Alright, I'm gonna start a video editing, I'm gonna charge $200 for a video. No, it's not. It doesn't work like that. You have to build your skills. You have to be good at it. No one's gonna pay you $200 per video if you're not good at it. And this will happen over time. Like, you need to practice, do, and get better at it. Now, let's talk about content creation. In my opinion, content creation is even better in terms of income, and that's why content creation is the winner of this one. There is basically no limit on how much money you can make with content creation, even if you're like a solo creator, like you don't hire a team, you don't hire video editors. If you do all that yourself, all these stages yourself, you can still make like hundreds of $1,000s with content creation alone, even millions, to be honest. If I were to give an example from my previous videos, like something I said in my previous videos, I had said that in 1 month I have made over $5,000 just from sponsorships alone. There is also ad revenue, there is affiliate marketing revenue, there's the money that I make from the digital products that I sell, and I have made over $5,000 just with sponsorships, like from brand deals. Content creation offers you more income sources, and as I said earlier, it offers you more passive income sources as well. Like a video that I made months ago or years ago can still get views, can still earn me ad revenue, can still earn me, like if there's an affiliate link in the description, can still earn me affiliate commissions, like I can earn from commissions. And if I sell something in that video, a product, for example, people can still buy that product without me needing to do something extra. Now, I won't be able to show you how much I charge for each sponsorships and like from one brand deal and how much I made from a brand, but like I said, I can say total, like in a month I made over $5,000 from all the brand deals that I have made. That I can say. And what I'm trying to basically say here is that you can actually earn a lot of money with brand deals, because especially if you have a lot of followers, you will work with big brands, and big brands have money. They pay a lot of money and you can make a lot of money. Like I've seen people getting paid 6 figures just from brand deals in a month. I'm not there yet, but I hope I will someday. I've also made a detailed video about sponsorships, so if you're a content creator or if you want to be a content creator, you should definitely check that video out after watching this one. Fifth, there is the freedom part. So which business model can we have more freedom with? What I mean with freedom here is both in terms of like time, location, money, and what that job offers us. Now in video editing, we manage our time mostly ourselves. Like now, yes, there is a deadline, but until that deadline, I decide how I work. Like I can go all in, work 15 hours a day and finish the project earlier, and then in the last days I can like chill, relax, or I can just, you know, spread out to the whole time that I have and work every day a little by little, and I can finish it like at time, or I can leave it to the last day and not finish it. Of course, I do not recommend that. Similarly, there is freedom in location. Like I can work from whenever I want. Like I can work from my desk, from my home. I can work from a cafe. I can work like from a different city, from a different country. Like I decide, as long as I make the money. It is also possible to earn good money. Like, I mean, I've already mentioned it in the income section that, and I'm talking from my own experiences, one person can easily take 3 to 4 clients. I am talking from experience. You can easily take 3 to 4 clients, and with the pricing that I have give you, that means you can earn over $3,000 per month. However, there is a limit to the clients that you can get. Your day is also 24 hours, so you have a limit. To increase like financially, you either need to like increase your prices, or, you know, hire someone to help you with the editing. And when you do that, it's not just, you're not just an editor, you are like, you're building a business basically. Like you have a team. On the other hand, on content creation, you are free. Even more than video editing. Like you, on content creation, you don't even have a deadline. You are the boss. Like you couldn't publish the video today, you publish it tomorrow. Like you couldn't tomorrow, the day after. Like you get the point. But if you are making a video for a brand, then yes, there is a deadline, but I'm talking in general. Now, in terms of location, there is no difference. You can again work from wherever you want. But in terms of finance, content creation offers you much more earning potential, because you're not just trading your time with money. Yes, you do spend some time for creating that content, but that's it. That video can earn you money after weeks, months, years creating, whether it is from like ad revenue, from affiliate revenue, or from the products that you sell. Therefore, when it comes to which one offers us more freedom, the content creation is the winner here. Sixth, I would like to talk about peace of mind. Now, what do I mean by peace of mind? In other words, how much does this job occupy my mind in my life? When you're a video editor, I think you have a peace of mind, like compared to content creation. The client sends you a video or videos, you edit them, you send them back and get paid. Yes, it is a creative job. Like you have to think a lot when you're working, like what you're gonna add, the effects, the animations, like the story, how it's gonna go, what edits you're gonna do and stuff like that. But you only do that when you're working. You don't think about that when you don't actively have a project at hand. On the other hand, as a content creator, I can easily say that your mind is always in work mode. Like your mind works 24/7. It doesn't stop. You're constantly thinking because you're constantly in like production mode. Unless you have days that you say like, I'm not gonna work today. Otherwise, like you always have something to do. Like it might not be video editing. If you don't have a video at hand, like to edit, you might have to shoot it. You might have to like record it. If you don't have a video to record, like you have to come up with ideas. So like you can make a plan, write a script, and then record that video. So like you never stop. There is always something to do. Unless you say you put a stop to it. Like I'm not gonna work today. I need to like relax. So in terms of peace of mind, I think video editing is a more like relaxed job. Finally, I want to touch on the security part. So is there any security in this job you're doing? Which one is safer? Will there be a problem tomorrow or the next day? First of all, let me say this. No job is secure. No job has full security. You get fired, you get an accident, like you can't work then. Yes, you do get some money as assistance like from the government, but usually in most countries they are not enough. Or we saw what happened to jobs when COVID-19 came out. And the funny thing is that when COVID came out, social media was the highest paying job at that time. Like content creators made the most amount of money then. Therefore, no job has full security, but which one like is better like from these two? If you're working as a video editor under a contract, that can be a level of security. Like at least there is something like written, signed that you can trust. If it's in just words, then like you might not even hear from your client in the next day. But again, you're not 100% secure just because like you have a contract. Like it's not okay, we have a contract, you have to pay me no matter what. Like, it's usually not like that, but it's something. As for content creation, I can say that the security part is the personal brand that you build. Personally, I don't think like big platforms like YouTube, Instagram, they won't go away. But let's say something happens. Then if you have built a personal brand and if you like have to switch to a different platform, you will have an audience that will support you there as well. Like they will know you and they will support you. By the way, content creation is not like a job with a salary as well. Like if you work on a job with a salary, like you know you're gonna do the job and you're gonna get paid X amount of money. But with content creation, you don't know that. Like I made money this month, I know, but I don't know how much I'm gonna make the next month. Like I can see how things are going and like make a prediction, make a guess, but it's not certain. And you can like weight this as a bad or good thing. It might be good, it might be bad for you, like you decide. At the end of the day, if we were like to make a scoring system, like you can see like they're pretty much head to head, but like one area might be more important for you, like the income part might be more important for you, like the peace of mind part might be more important to you, or the time part might be more important to you. Like you might not have that much amount of time for creating content, for example. You decide, like you have to choose which one is more, which one suits you more, basically. Frankly, content creation is my choice here. Like I believe content creation is better. That's why I chose content creation, and I'm not actively doing like video editing right now. I don't have clients because I want to focus here. I want to create content. I think it has bigger potential. Like content creation has a bigger potential for me. And I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one. Bye bye.